Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today, guys, we're working on that BMW E46, which is one of the main builds on our first channel, World Mechanics. Check it out, it's down there. Awesome videos, guys. But today we got some coilovers for that thing. Those, you know, the super cheap ones they sell on eBay for like $240, $250, free shipping. We had some good things, some bad things. We wanted to test them. So today's unboxing day. We just got the items. Okay, let's see what we got. Right here, Maxspeedingrods. I think we paid like $243 to be honest with you. Okay, and let's see now. We got front and rear ones. The front ones are with adjusting camber, because we will be taking it racing and stuff like that. You can check it out on our main channel, guys. We have quite a few videos. So far, to be honest with you, looks pretty good. We're going to pay a little bit more attention to the details in a little bit once we unpack everything, so we can inspect everything and see how it's made, what it looks like. This is for the rear one. This is for the for adjusting the spring on the rear coilover. Okay, and this is the assembly for the rear one as well. They do feel good, to be honest with you. For that price, I thought they would be like super cheaply made, but so far, first impression is good. We'll have quite a few videos, guys, so we'll put some mileage on that thing. We'll have videos about installing them, but we just want to see how they're going to feel, and comes with the tools as well for adjusting the height and the stiffness of the spring. So that's all we got right here now. Okay, guys, and as you can see, it comes with a service card here. Okay, what to do if it's damaged, if you need to return it or anything like that. I think they come with 1 year warranty, so that's pretty good deal. And I read that if they get damaged, customer service is pretty good and they replace them. I haven't experienced it myself, so we'll see. But thank you guys for subscribing. Auto Repair, guys, we're going so fast thanks to you. Let's check the tools now to see how they feel. Okay, nothing special about it, but let's see if they fit good. Yep, they fit pretty good, works good. And as you can see, this is for the sway bar link, so that's adjustable too, which is awesome. Okay, guys, so we have some videos on this channel, Auto Repair, guys, and way more on World Mechanics, so feel free to check it out, guys. How we're going to install those, what we think after we put a few 100,000 miles on those. The tool works pretty good. We can adjust, as you know, here the sway bar link and all that stuff. So that's pretty awesome. We can adjust the height of the vehicle as well. The camber plate on top, let me show you right here. It's easy to use, easy to read. Okay, you can see the 0 now, it's at 0. You can give it quite a bit of negative camber, which is amazing for racing. I think we'll be running this one at 2.5, so videos coming soon how we're going to set it up for a racing day. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you for your support, and let's grow that channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.